everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a very highly requested video, our house tour. So basically we moved into our house over a year ago now and we've been renovating it over the years. If you're new to my channel then you may not have seen that we've done renovation videos. I'll link them down below for you throughout the process. And yeah, we're basically near the end now. Everything is pretty much complete, so I thought I would show you the house as it is a year on. So if you want to see what our home looks like, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the view you get when you come in the door. This is just our hallway here. On the right there is my office and on the left is our living room. So I'll take you into the living room first. This room has changed dramatically since I last showed you the house, and if you haven't seen our previous house tour I will link it down below for you because you'll see what the house looked like before we started the renovations. But yeah, basically we've got this beautiful fireplace. I really wanted something with marble and we had this custom made at our local fireplace shop and I'm so happy with it. It's absolutely beautiful. If I take you over here, this is just our corner sofa area. We still need to get some pictures to pop up on the wall here, but again I'm really happy with it. We used to have two sofas and this here didn't used to be a wall, so we had a wall put up for this room just to kind of shut it off from the kitchen and dining room to make it a snug area. And then over in this area we've just got the TV, some toy boxes which I've just popped a throw over. Usually I have a sheepskin rug, but that is upstairs now. And then this is my IKEA chair, so it's just another like seating area and I'm so happy with that. I absolutely love this room. We still need to get a few finishing touches like pictures, etc. But yeah, this is how the living room looks. So let me take you into the office. This is my office space. This room is not complete yet, but you'll be able to see what it looks like at the moment. We made this desk area. We've got some IKEA drawers under here and then we used a worktop just across the top there. So I've got somewhere to sit when I'm using my computer and yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think it looks gorgeous. Just got my printer there. I've got a neon light there as well. And then also this light is pink to match the office, which I absolutely adore. I'll just go through a few things that we've got here. So I've just got a HP printer. This print here is from Desenio and this marble tray is from Wayfair. These flowers are from Wayfair and this vase is from HomeSense. The worktop is IKEA. This notice board is also from IKEA and also the paint on the walls is called Antoinette by Annie Sloan. All of this marble office stationery is from HomeSense and the L candle is from Marks and Spencer's. And then the chair is from Maison du Monde, so I ordered that online and again I love that. So yeah, that is my office, guys. So as you walk through here there is a downstairs toilet. This is the one room that is left untouched. We need to renovate this room still. So we did carry on the floor in here, so that's the only thing that's changed in here really since. We did change the toilet and the basin, but that will all get changed again soon. It's all going to get changed, so I'll have to show you when we renovate that downstairs toilet. Okay, so let me take you into one of my favourite rooms of the house. This room has changed dramatically. This is our kitchen and dining room. So when we moved in we had a purple kitchen, black units. It was one room was like, it was split in half, so we had a separate room over here for our dining room and then this was a separate room for the kitchen, but we've actually knocked it into one. So I always wanted an island and this is the island I went for. I went for a navy island with grey units for the rest of the kitchen. The whole kitchen is actually from Wix and the worktop is by Minerva, so it's really hard wearing and we went for like a sparkly white, which I love. We've got plenty of workspace and then also we've got our range master here, which I love. It was just, it had to be put into this kitchen because it's such a gorgeous centerpiece. I absolutely adore it. So yeah, we got that. Over here is my sink area. Nothing too special, but that is just how it looks. And we've also had our garden done, which I'll show you in a bit. And then if I take you over here, this is our dining room. So again, like I said, so where you can see this here, that is where the dining room used to be separated. So there used to be a wall here and now there isn't. So I think it's so lovely. It's just opened it up. We use this room all of the time. The dining table and the chairs are from a store called FW Home Stores, which is local to me, but I do believe they have a shop online and a few other stores around the UK. As is the mirror there at the back is also from FW Home Stores. These prints and frames are by Desenio. The light here is from Homebase. And then I always get asked about this plant, but we actually bought this from our local garden centre. And then the pot that it's in or basket is from House of Brissy. We've also got a TV up on the wall there, which you can actually move, so we can move it out if we need to, but it's absolutely fine there like that. I just wanted this to be a real lovely family area. I wanted the whole house to have kind of a glamorous, kind of chic theme to it, and something that we could all live in as well. I'll show you the kitchen from this side. So as you can see, we've got the island there, and this is also a wine cooler. We don't actually keep wine in it. We've got bottles of water because we don't really drink, but I love it. Really, really good. Also, the flowers in the middle are from HomeSense, and the tray is from TK Maxx, and then the light is from Dunelm. So I've got loads of pieces just from a mixture of places really, but my favourite places to shop are HomeSense really, TK Maxx, anywhere where I can find like unique pieces I love. We have also got a built-in fridge here, and then a pull-out kind of larder, which we keep like our cereals and jars and things like that in. So yeah, that is the kitchen, guys. Let me know what you think. Also, if you're an American follower, I do get questions quite a lot about why our washing machine and our tumble dryer are in the kitchen, but in a lot of houses in the UK, this is how the setup is. Some houses in the UK do have like laundry rooms called a utility room, but we don't have that here, so we've incorporated it into the kitchen and it works absolutely fine. Okay, so let's go upstairs. When we moved in, this was a striped carpet, and we've just changed the carpet throughout the house to kind of creamy beige. So this is our family bathroom. It's quite small, but it's perfect for us. We kept the bath in the same place, but again, if you want to see what it looked like before, I'll link down below some renovation videos for you. This hanging basket is from Urban Outfitters, and the print there is from Desenio, as well as the frame. The tiles on the wall are by Tops Tiles, and I just thought they look really gorgeous. They're classic, but they've just got that kind of twist on them, so they don't look too plain. Because we were going for white, I wanted something a little bit different. And then I went for this very kind of traditional vanity unit. I really, really like it. I just wanted this to be a very traditional bathroom, and I kind of kept the theme there, as you can see, with the mirror. Also, we have got 2 showers, so we've got one there, and then we've got one right at the top there. And then we have spotlights in the ceiling. And that, guys, is our bathroom. So this is the hallway upstairs. And then if I take you into this room here, this is my dressing room at the moment. And yeah, this is probably going to turn into baby's nursery eventually. But at the moment, this is just how it is. I haven't really done too much to this room because I knew that it wasn't going to stay like this for very long. So yeah, I will still show you the features of the rooms. We've got a big wardrobe on the left as you walk in. This actually used to be right here as you walked into the room, but it just took up too much space, and I much prefer it behind the door there. I've then got a big mirror here, which is from House of Brissy. And then I've just got my dressing table area, like so. We've also got shutters throughout the house as well, which you may not have seen in the last house tour. But yeah, that is kind of my dressing room, which will eventually be the baby's room. So I'll have to show you again when we change that up. Now I'll take you into Renzo's room. So Renzo is my youngest little boy. He is 2 years old at the moment. And this is his bedroom. So we've got like a little reading corner over here. This toy box is from IKEA. And then we've got his wardrobe over here, which is by Silver Cross. The prints are again from Desenio. I love Desenio, we've just got so many prints around the house. They're just really affordable, and I also love the frames that they do. And then over here is his cot. Again, it's by Silver Cross, and then this over here is from Matalan. So the colour on Renzo's wall is called Egyptian Cotton by Dulux, just in case you were wondering, and we did the same colour in Vinny's bedroom as well. And this is Vinny's room, so I've shown you this recently, but this is his bedroom. We've gone for more of like a little space theme. Vinny is 5, so it's a little bit more grown up than Renzo's room. We got his bed from Wayfair. Again, we've got more prints up there. The light fitting is from IKEA, and also the units are from IKEA as well, and the little desk. He's just got a little notice board up here with some pictures and bit. He's got some of his Imaginext toys out here because they're too big to put anywhere else. And then we've got another toy box set from IKEA. He's also got a built-in wardrobe there, which he's got a drawer in, and also like lots of other clothes that are hung up. That is Vinny's bedroom. On our landing, we've got this plant here, which is from IKEA. And then we've also got this light here, which is from Laura Ashley. The hallway is one area we do need to redo, so we need to repaint the banister. We also need to paint all of the walls and things like that, but that has just been the kind of last job. It's not priority in here, so that is that. And then the final room in the house is our bedroom. Oh my gosh guys, this is another favourite of mine. It's just so me. It's just everything I would want in a bedroom. It's super relaxing, very chilled. It has a few girly touches in here. Mark doesn't mind though, which is very, very lucky, but he's happy with it as well. He loves this room. It's just a really gorgeous place for us to relax in the evening and of course sleep. We created this dressing table area because, like I said, my dressing room will not be a dressing room for much longer, so this is where I'll be getting ready in the future. Again, we got some IKEA drawer units and then we popped an IKEA worktop on the top to create like a table. We've got a big TV here. I know this is quite a big TV, but we absolutely love it. It's like having a cinema in your room. The light is from Wilkinson's. This lantern here is from TK Maxx. These flowers are from Poundland and HomeSense, and then this mirror is from Dunelm. Also the tray is from Dunelm, and the candles are from IKEA. The pink blanket on our bed is by Blankets Beautiful on Instagram. The bedspread is by Laura Ashley, as are the cushions, except for these cushions here, which are from Sainsbury's, but the bedding is also from Laura Ashley. And then the bed is from Super Saver. So basically I found this website on Instagram and I looked at their website and the beds were so affordable I had to buy it. We have that 150 centimetre headboard. I get a lot of questions about that. And we went for the velvet material. The bedside tables are from Dunelm and the mirrors are also from Dunelm, as well as the lamps. And then if I take you over here, we've got a mirror. This mirror is actually old from IKEA, which we painted white. We used to have it downstairs. But yeah, we love it in here and it just brings extra light in. Okay, so this is our ensuite. As you can see, we've got gorgeous modern toilet and basin area. The walls are all white and we've got like a polished grey tile on the floor. This is a small bathroom, although it's very, very handy to have. And we also went for a marble kind of tile in the shower area. And we have the similar shower to the one that's in the family bathroom, except this one comes out of the ceiling. This room has really been transformed. The ceilings used to be green. Everything just needed updating. This room is so much brighter and we absolutely love this room. So yeah, that is our ensuite. So this is what the garden is looking like after the renovations are done. So this is what it's all looking like at the moment, and I'll show you over that area in a moment. But I thought I would show you this area, which we've just kind of done today, which I'm really happy with. The table and chairs was really cheap actually. It was like, I think the table was around £18 and the chairs were like £16 each, so really, really affordable. Over here we've just got the boys' slide and little picnic table. Over here we've got Vinny's goal post, footballs and all of that. It's unavoidable when you've got boys, so it had to be in here, but it's not too bad actually. It fits nicely in that little space and they're happy with it. This is our little kind of dining area now, I guess, like our outside entertainment area, and I'm so happy with it. What do you think? Again, I'll show you just from over here so you can see what it looks like. Doesn't it look so big, guys? Honestly, we've been out here every day since it's been done. The boys love it so much. Okay guys, so that is the end of our house tour. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which room is your favourite in the house, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.